If your Gamma app export is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes you can try to get your presentation exported again. Whether Gamma is stuck, the download button is not responding, or the export just keeps failing, these steps can usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, open the Gamma project that you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct presentation or document before trying anything else, because sometimes the issue is as simple as opening the wrong file or waiting for the project to finish loading completely. Once your project is open, click the Export or Download option again and give it a few seconds. In many cases, Gamma just needs a moment to process the file, especially if the presentation is large or includes a lot of images, sections, or formatting. If the export still fails, the next thing to do is refresh the page and try again. A simple refresh can fix temporary glitches, loading issues, or browser problems that may be stopping the export from working properly. After the page reloads, go back to the export option and test it again. If Gamma was stuck because of a temporary session issue, this often clears it up right away. Now, if it still does not work, try exporting in a different format. For example, if PDF export is failing, switch to PowerPoint, or if PowerPoint is giving you trouble, try PDF instead. Different formats sometimes use different processing methods behind the scenes, so one option may work even when another one does not. This is a really useful troubleshooting step because it helps you figure out whether the issue is with Gamma overall or just one specific export format. Another common reason exports fail is browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, download managers, or script blockers can interfere with Gamma's download process. To test this, disable any browser extensions that may block downloads, then try exporting again. If you have a lot of extensions installed, you may want to turn them off one by one, or try using an incognito window with extensions disabled, so you can see whether one of them is causing the problem. If Gamma export is still not working after that, the next step is to try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or another browser you already have installed. Sometimes the issue is browser-specific, and switching browsers can immediately fix the problem without changing anything else. Also, make sure your browser is up to date, because outdated browser versions can create compatibility issues with web apps like Gamma. If none of these steps work, it may also help to wait a minute and try exporting again later, especially if Gamma is experiencing a temporary service issue. But in most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem: reopening the project, retrying the export, refreshing the page, changing the format, disabling extensions, or switching browsers. So to recap, if Gamma app export is not working, first open the correct project, try the export again, refresh the page, test a different file format, disable browser extensions, and then switch to another browser if needed. These simple troubleshooting steps can save you a lot of time and get your file exported successfully. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Gamma app tutorials and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.